RedMagic 11 Pro series launches in China with 144Hz OLED display, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, and dual cooling tech. RedMagic has launched its latest flagship gaming phones, the RedMagic 11 Pro and 11 Pro Plus, in China. Both devices run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset and have scored 4.35 million points on AnTuTu 11. They come with up to 24GB of LPDDR5T RAM and up to 1TB of UFS 4.1 Pro storage. The phones feature a 6.85-inch 1.5K BOE X10 AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate, 10-bit color depth, and 100% DCI-P3 color gamut. With a peak brightness of 2000 nits, DC dimming, and 25 and 92Hz PWM dimming, the display promises smooth, eye-safe visuals even during extended sessions. The touch sampling rate peaks at 960Hz, providing instant response for competitive gameplay. The Ultra Graphics Engine 3.0 and Red Core R4 chip enhance gaming performance by upscaling supported titles to 2K resolution at 144Hz. The China variant also includes a built-in PC emulator, letting users run desktop-level software on their phone. Both devices come equipped with up to 24GB of LPDDR5T RAM and 1TB of UFS 4.1 Pro storage, ensuring seamless multitasking and rapid data access. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip brings a 20% performance boost and up to 35% better power efficiency compared to the previous generation, ensuring faster load times and better battery endurance. Thermal management sees a major leap with RedMagic's new dual-track cooling system, which combines active liquid and air cooling. Instead of a passive vapor chamber, it uses a ceramic micropump that circulates coolant through laser-cut microchannels. The fluorinated coolant operates between 40°C to 70°C, maintaining stability even under intense load. The company says the system underwent thousands of design iterations and tens of thousands of drop tests to ensure leak-proof durability. The phones feature a Synaptics touch chip with 3000Hz touch sampling, 520Hz shoulder triggers, and a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint sensor for precise control. Both run RedMagic OS 11, based on Android 16, and include the AI assistant Mora, capable of handling smart tasks like messaging, object recognition, and screen-based searches. For imaging, the RedMagic 11 series houses a 50-megapixel primary sensor, 1.55 f/1.88 OIS, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a 120° field of view, and a 16-megapixel under-display front camera by OmniVision. The phones support 8K at 60Hz and 4K at 144Hz video recording. The RedMagic 11 Pro is backed by an 8,000 mAh battery with 80 watts fast charging, while the 11 Pro Plus offers a 7,500 mAh battery with 120 watt wired and 80 watts wireless charging. The RedMagic 11 Pro series starts at approx $701 and goes up to approx $1,389 for the Golden Saga edition. Both models are available now in China, with the global launch scheduled for November 7th. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.